Okay, in this example, we're going to use the chain rule to differentiate y equals the square root of 3x plus 1. First of all, just going to write it as a power. So we'll change it to y equals a bracket with 3x plus 1 to the power 1/2. Now we can use the chain rule. So we're going to get u equal the inner function, which will be this bracket here. So 3x plus 1. That means that y is going to equal u to the power 1/2. Next, we're going to differentiate both of these. Du by dx is going to give us 3, and dy by du is going to give us 1/2 u to the negative 1/2. Now we can combine these using the chain rule. So we get dy dx is these two things multiplied together. 3 times 1/2 is 3 over 2. Then we have u to the power of a negative 1/2. So u we defined as 3x plus 1. So we'll get 3x plus 1 in a bracket to the power of negative 1/2. So in this example, we've got y equals the cube root of 5x minus 6. Again, we're going to use the chain rule, but first, let's write it as a bracket to a power. So we're going to get y equals 5x minus 6 in a bracket to the power 1/3. Now we can define u as our inner function here. So u equals 5x minus 6, and that gives us y equals u to the power 1/3. Next, we'll differentiate both of these. So du dx is going to give us 5, and dy by du is going to give us 1/3 u to the minus 2/3. Now we can combine them using the chain rule. We get dy by dx equals 5 multiplied by 1/3, so we'll just write that as 5/3. And then we've got u to the negative 2/3. Well, u is just 5x minus 6. So we get 5x minus 6 to the power negative 2/3. In this example, we've got y equals 3 over root 4x plus 9. In order to differentiate this, we're first going to rewrite it as a bracket to a power. So we're going to write it as y equals 3 bracket 4x plus 9. And as the square root is on the bottom of the fraction, the power will be negative 1/2. Now we're going to define our inner function u to be equal to 4x plus 9. And that gives us y equals 3u to the negative 1/2. From here we can differentiate both of these functions. So du by dx is going to give us 4, and dy by du is going to give us 3 times negative 1/2 is minus 3 over 2. And then we've got u to the power of minus 1/2 take away 1 is minus 3 over 2. Finally, we just have to multiply these two things together to get dy by dx equals 4 times minus 3 is minus 12 divided by 2 gives us minus 6. And then we've got u, which is 4x plus 9 to the power of minus 3 over 2.